So the winter months are settling in. This is our 52-inch grill. Just got it covered for the winter. Absolutely loving how I can clamp it down with the Velcro straps here, and it does have a drawstring, so it's staying tight around the sides. It is a nice, thick, resistant kind of a vinyl material, and it does have additional straps if you want to clamp it down even more with any other carabiners or ropes that you do have. The inside does have a UV resistant coating and the PVC coating on the outside, and the drawstring is super easy to use. That's the best part for wind, making sure it doesn't blow away. And it honestly just went on like any other grill cover. You've set it over the top and tighten it down and you're good to go. And just for fun, I did give it a good waterproof test, and the water beat it up really easily. I think it's going to be fine in rain or snow or anything that comes at it. Overall, I think it's going to do the job. It is a grill cover. It seems waterproof. It seems wind resistant. The materials are durable. It has a good fit. It clamped down well for me, and it's just going to extend the life of my grill, which is the entire point. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.